Do you know that using Microsoft Excel in your Android smartphone has become a lot more easier? Yes, you heard it right. The Cards View function released by Microsoft recently has made using Microsoft Excel in your Android smartphone very much easy. Stay till the end of this video to learn more about the Cards View function and consider subscribing the channel if you aren't subscribed yet. So let us start the video. First things first, keep in mind that the Cards View feature works only for Excel tables. So first of all, you have to convert your range of data into an Excel table. So here is how you can convert your range of data into an Excel table. First of all, click on the triangular arrow at the top left corner of your Excel workbook here. This selects your range of data. Then click on the triangular arrow at the bottom right corner of your Excel worksheet here. Then click here on the Home tab. It will open the various menu options. Then click on Insert and click on Table. Great, you have successfully converted your range of data into an Excel table. Now click anywhere on your Excel table, click on any one cell and then click on the Cards View icon at the bottom of your screen. This will open the Cards View. You have successfully converted each row into a separate card in your Excel file. Each row in the Excel table has become a separate card. Since there are 97 rows in the Excel table, it has created 96 cards because the topmost row is the header row. So the interesting thing about the Cards View is that it enables you to view and edit a row of data from an Excel spreadsheet in a format that fits within your phone screen. To edit any individual row or card, just click on it. It will open the detailed view of the card wherein you can edit individual fields in the card. For example, I will change the height here from 5 foot 7 inch to 6 feet, or I will edit the hometown field here. This is how you can change the fields, edit the fields in Cards View. To go back to the summary view, click on this arrow here. Now coming back to detailed view again. At the bottom of the screen, there is this previous button and next button. By clicking on them, you can go to the detailed view of the next card or the detailed view of the previous card. In the summary view at the bottom of the screen, there is a search option with the help of which you can search different cards. And there is also a plus sign, plus icon, plus option to add a new card. To go back to the normal Excel view, click on this grid icon at the bottom of the screen here. So this was all about the latest Cards View feature released by Microsoft Excel. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.